question says, when we're doing Shechitah, say on a chicken, why aren't we allowed to completely decapitate the bird? Because in fact, it's easier than stopping halfway.
To decapitate in a complete way. I don't remember what was the reason. It's a good question. But you see, the Shechitah in the Beis Hamikdash, so if we draw the parallel, was done is actually four things. First, you shecht, right? Then you catch the blood, and especially holy vessel. So the Shechitah can do even non-Kohen. And of course, he would do on a part of the Beis Hamikdash when the non-Kohen is allowed. It's right, it's understandable. But he would do Shechitah. Kohen would catch the blood from the artery that comes into this holy vessel. Then he would go to the altar, right? So walk and apply the blood to the altar. So I guess when I'm talking about animals, that were 4 steps. But chicken, maybe they trying to draw parallel, even though there is no slaughtering chicken in the Beis Hamikdash. I don't know. There's the thing. Okay. So what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.